For most creators, YouTube monetization seems like the only way to earn money. But what if there's a smarter, faster way to hit $100,000 a month without relying on ads at all? In this video, I'll provide solid proof and break down exactly how it works. This video is part of a series on creating viral pet videos and earning without monetization. Check the description or the link above for the previous video. This video was made in just 10 minutes using free AI tools.
In a garden bright and green, Chef Tabby cooks a joyful...
Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how you can monetize your content on both YouTube and TikTok and turn it into a reliable income stream. In this video, you'll learn how to generate stunning visuals and animations for your content, edit your videos to perfection, create viral music for your video, earn passive income without relying on YouTube ads. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide and unlock the true potential of your content creation. Have questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let's get started. The first step in creating viral cat cooking videos is crafting the right image prompts. Coming up with creative prompts can be time-consuming, but don't worry. I've prepared a free Google document with all the tools and prompts you need for the videos. You can grab it from my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Go to the prompt template, copy the ready-made prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and in just seconds, ChatGPT will generate detailed image prompts for you. It's that easy and stress-free. The fun part? You can easily customize the prompt to feature a different animal. Just swap cat for any other creature you want to see cooking up a storm. While we're still in ChatGPT, let's create the text for our song to see what's next. Copy the prompt from the Google document. This prompt will help create captivating and viral music for your video, making it stand out from the rest and ensuring its success. If you like the song lyrics, feel free to copy them. We'll record the song in the next steps. For now, let's create our images. Now, let's bring those prompts to life with Piclumen AI. Head over to the Piclumen AI website, link in the Google document, and click Launch App. If you're new to the platform, sign up. It's quick and easy. Returning users can log in with Google or Apple to jump right in. Once you're in, click Create, select your model, and choose this model for the best results. Don't forget to adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for vertical videos on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Next, set the number of images per session, and you're good to go. Now, head back to ChatGPT and copy your first image prompt. Return to Piclumen AI, paste it into the prompt field, and hit Submit. To make sure your images stay consistent throughout the video, click on one of the images to access its details. Find the seed number and copy it. Now, go to the Advanced Settings, click on Fixed, and paste the seed number in the box. Then, go back to ChatGPT, copy your second image prompt, and repeat the process in Piclumen AI. Once again, paste the prompt and hit Submit. Piclumen AI will generate another image that matches the first one perfectly. Repeat these steps to generate all your images, download them, and watch your viral masterpiece come to life with seamless consistency. If you're not completely satisfied with your images, don't worry. AI tools aren't always completely accurate, but with some tweaking and creativity, you'll get the results you're looking for. A bit of trial and error goes a long way. Now it's time to turn your static images into captivating videos using Hailuo AI. This is where the real magic happens. To get started, head to the Hailuo AI website, link in the Google document, and click Sign In. Log in with Google, then click Try Now to proceed to the generation page. Set the old model because it works better, and then click Upload New Image to upload your first image. After that, go back to Piclumen AI, copy the image prompt for the corresponding image, and paste it into the prompt field on Hailuo AI. Click Create, and Hailuo AI will start generating your video. Premium users can queue up to 5 images at a time, while free users are limited to 3. Once your videos are ready, upscale them to make them truly stand out. To begin enhancing your videos, visit CapCut by following the link in the Google document. Once on the website, navigate to Magic Tools and scroll down to find Video Upscaler. From there, upload your video, and once it's uploaded, simply click Upscale and let CapCut do its magic. After it's finished, click Export and then Download to save the enhanced version to your device. Repeat this process for all your videos to make sure they look as polished and high quality as possible. Next, let's move on to creating custom background music for your video. Start by heading over to Suno, a powerful platform for crafting unique music tracks. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and easy. After logging in, click Create to access the music creation interface. Switch to Custom mode. Paste the song lyrics we created earlier into Suno AI. Set the music style to instrumental and click Create. In just a moment, Suno will generate 2 tracks based on your input. Listen to both options, pick your favorite, and download it.
In a garden bright and green, in a garden bright and green.
Now that you have all your clips, music, and sound effects, it's time to bring everything together in CapCut to create a stunning final video. To get started, open CapCut and click Create Project. Import all your video clips. Next, add each video clip to the timeline. Trim each clip to about 3 seconds to keep your audience engaged. As promised, let's remove the watermark from the video. Select each video clip and click Resize. Stretch the video so that the watermark is no longer visible. Crop the watermark from each video, repeating the process for every clip. Now, let's add transitions. Click on Transitions and select, for example, the black fade transition. Place it between the first and second clips. Reduce its duration to just 0.1 seconds for a sleek, professional effect. To make our video even more engaging, I will choose a different transition for each clip. Experiment, because that's key on YouTube. Then, drag the music file to the timeline. Remove the first few seconds without text. To adjust the music, click on the track and lower its volume by adjusting the volume slider in the top left corner. You can also experiment with effects. CapCut offers many interesting and free options. Go to the Effects tab, select the one that suits your video, and add it to the timeline, synchronizing it with the moment you need. Sound effects are where your video really pops. To use AI for keywords, follow these steps. Return to ChatGPT and ask it to generate keywords for each of your prompts. ChatGPT will generate a list of keywords based on your script. Take the keywords ChatGPT provides and use them to search for sound effects on websites like Pixabay or others. Go to Pixabay, select the sound effects category, and paste the keywords into the search bar. Browse through the results and choose the sound effect you like. After selecting the sound effect, then return to CapCut and sync it with the exact moment in your video. Click on the sound effect in the timeline and adjust its volume to ensure it enhances the scene without overpowering the main audio. The effect should complement, not dominate, the video. Use sound effects sparingly, ideally every 2 to 3 seconds. Let's make everything look polished and professional. Use a filter you like, such as this one. Drag it to the timeline and stretch it across the entire length of the video. Adjust its intensity, around 50 to 60%, to add a cinematic feel. Finally, it's time to export your finished video. Click Export, select the resolution, 4K or 1080p, and hit Export.
In a garden bright and green, Chef Tabby cooks a joyful scene. Chopping, whisking, frying high, steaming scents beneath the sky, playing dishes.
Now, let's explore how you can start earning money from your channel without relying on YouTube's traditional monetization methods. The first monetization method is selling wall art. It's much more profitable than you think. Take a look at this Instagram page. They sell paintings of animal photos that are generated by AI tools. And look at this painting, it has over 15,000 reviews. It's just incredible. Each painting costs between $44 and $150. Now imagine how many people bought them if 15,000 left reviews. Even though the page was created 2 years ago, this method brings them $100,000 a month. And this isn't clickbait. For example, if 20% of customers left reviews, likely much less, that means about 75,000 sales. With an average earning of $75 per sale, that totals around $5.6 million in 16 months, or roughly $350,000 a month after covering materials and shipping. And still, the profit is more than $100,000 a month. The second method is selling your own course on creating similar videos. Imagine someone paying for this, while I'm telling you for free. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Remember, I respond to every single one. For example, take this TikTok account. There's a link to their course in the profile description. You can absolutely do the same thing using the Beacon's website. The most interesting part is that you record the course once, and then you can sell it many times over. People are willing to buy your course because they see the results you've achieved. The fact that you've already proven your success makes them trust you as an expert. Don't forget to check out the previous part via the link in the description or the hint at the top. If you like what I'm doing, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really helps me a lot. Thanks in advance.